Hi all, I'm very excited to welcome you to Tournesol, a platform we have designed to collect judgments from you and your peers to identify and promote quality content of public utility. To participate in Tournesol, you are going to need to create an account using an email address. If you have an email address at a trusted institution like a university or a public organization, please use it when registering. If you don't, well, you can still provide judgments that will be valuable for us to analyze. Please note, however, that to avoid being biased by potential malicious fake accounts, the inputs from contributors without a trusted email address will not be used by Tournesol's recommendation algorithm. By default, your inputs will remain private, and we will only share publicly the results of the aggregation of different contributors' judgments. Once you've created an account, you'll have access to the video rating page where you can select 2 videos of your choice that you'll have to compare in terms of reliability, but also in terms of pedagogy, importance, engagement, and backfiring risks. Now, Tournesol allows you to randomly generate some videos already registered on the platform, but please make it easy for yourself, especially at the beginning. Just take 2 videos from your YouTube history that you really enjoyed, copy-paste their respective URLs, and provide your judgments. Once you've rated 4 or 5 videos, please consider adding the Tournesol extension to your web browser. Right after watching a video that you really enjoyed, you can directly access the Tournesol video rating page by clicking on the browser extension. And the advice we would give you is to then compare the video you have just seen to videos you have previously rated on Tournesol. Please compare the video you've just seen to around 5 other videos you previously saw so as to provide us with more precise information about your judgments. We kindly ask you as well to provide further information about yourself, which you can choose to keep private or to publish on your personal Tournesol page. In the future, typically to distinguish world-class experts from first-year bachelor students, such information may be used to adjust the influence of different contributors' judgments on Tournesol scores. Your binary comparisons will then be analyzed by our Byzantine resilient robust machine learning model, which will infer scores that you would likely have given to the videos. The scores of different contributors are then aggregated using a strategy-proof mechanism into the Tournesol scores of the different videos. These Tournesol scores are then used on our search page to obtain personalized content recommendation from certified contributors. Right now, Tournesol is still under construction, so please be forgiving of our issues. Please consider sending us any bug you encounter or any idea of improvements you have, especially if they are easy to implement.